Hey, I'm Amanda. Welcome to my channel where we discuss, well, today we're Feng Shuiing our bedroom. So why don't you sit in and get ready to take some notes, because when you find out what I found out, you're gonna probably do some rearranging. Some tips. Basically, your bedroom is your yin space. So definitely no working out in your bedroom because that's yang. No working in your bedroom. So desks, I mean, if there's somewhere else to put it in your home, think about it. If you are one of those people like me who goes to bed with the laptop on her lap sometimes, yeah, maybe find another time block, because the amount of energy, may it be actual physical energy or energy in our bodies that we are holding on to when we have electronics next to our bed or work next to our bed or even school next to our bed, it doesn't give us an opportunity to have a full restful sleep in our bedroom. So we have to get all those things out. Now, there's all sorts of different tips. I don't even know what to start with. Let's start with the bed. The bed should be, unlike my bed, positioned facing towards the door, but like a little bit offset, so that you're not like laying coffin style with your feet pointed out straight to the doorway. No, you want to be like off to the side a bit. You want to have full space around your bed. So that means that you can walk around the total, not circumference, but anyways, both sides and the foot. So my bed here against this wall, Feng Shui no. Okay, so plants. There's been some mixed opinions on plants in the bedroom. I think if you are really needing to have some green in your bedroom, choose one plant and give it the most love that you can. Having a forest, it attracts bugs, right? So just a nice plant, which I don't have, so I think I'm someone who needs green, and of course I look out my window and I see all green, but I like plants in my room, so I am gonna opt in for that one, even though some say it's a no. I just moved into this house, so I just threw my mattress on the floor, and I don't have a headboard. I don't have side tables. I'm just on the floor, so I don't have the problem with the clutter under the bed. That's a big one. So if you have like old love letters or pictures or any of that stuff under your bed, that's not giving you a release from all of those things when you're sleeping. You might be dreaming about some of that stuff because it's literally underneath you. So if you have to put some kind of storage under your bed, store your linens and blankets and pillows, things that are soft and airy and that you use in a bed. Get some containers and keep them clean and stored, and then clutter-free. We want the chi going through the whole of your bedroom, under you, over you. The phone's ringing. Next topic is colors and fabrics and everything. As you can see, I'm just like white. Hotel feeling. It's great. I can just bleach everything and it's always clean. So I love white bedding and towels. If you're a really colorful person, like your bedroom should be very calming. So if you're trying to find love, Go for some reds and pinks and such. If you're trying to find peace, go with the blues. But generally, Feng Shui is sand colors or skin tones, and staying with that allows us to remove ourselves away from the beautiful patterns that try to get into our lives. All right, so the most important part in bedroom Feng Shui is the position of the bed. I've heard like rumors over forever about like your head facing north. Anyways, that's not even, no. What's the most important is where the door is. So your bed should be facing the door. Like my door's over here, that's why I'm pointing over here. It should be facing the door and like a little off center. Like you don't want to be coffin style laying in your bed like with your feet pointing out the door. You don't want that. You want essentially like a closed door at night, unlike my loft gate of death down a spiral staircase. So I live in a very un-feng shui home that I'm going to have some challenges with. All those Feng Shui consultants, please hit me up in the comments and give me some ideas, because I am not an expert on chi. Anyways, so my bed is up against like storage, and then there's a wall that goes to my closet, and there's my bathroom. So you're not supposed to put the head of your bed on the same wall as a bathroom, so I think I'm safe here. But I can't walk around my whole bed, and that is not Feng Shui. So I have to move my bed. And I'm also like, sure, kind of facing the door. I'm okay in this sense, but there are two of us, and we do need side tables. Not necessarily the same ones, but ones that complement each other. And we need to walk around the bed, all around the bed. Air, fresh air. So if you have a purifier, a humidifier, get that in your bedroom. We're looking to find all the elements, right? So I guess I should give you a tour now of all my Feng Shui no-nos I've got going on in here. Forgive the mess. I am a normal human. And yeah, I have, vaulted ceilings. Feng Shui no. Maybe I should bring this really nice light. No. All right. This is like the least Feng Shui house that exists. Like spiral staircase downstairs. Yeah, not cool. This is what I wanted to show you. My library. And then there's like my air purifier, which is good. My fan. My guitar that I never use and I'm trying really hard to learn. My closets here. I have realized through my hours of searching on the internet, my bedroom is so un-feng shui. Yeah, I need some help. So I've decided to help myself by helping you. Here's some tips, and I mean, I could go through all of the don't do's in my bedroom to give you the tips, or I guess maybe I should. Let's move. Okay, well, most important position of the bed. Not against a wall on one side, especially a storage wall. Vaulted ceiling over your bed. Totally not feng shui. My door to my bedroom is on this side of the bed, so that's kind of good because I am sort of facing the door. But yeah, no, you can't walk around the bed, so I have to move it. Maybe I should move it now. All right. I'm gonna move it now. I'm just gonna move it. Okay, you're supposed to have like all 3 sides and a headboard. I don't have a headboard, as you can see. And you're also not supposed to have any clutter under the bed. My bed's on the floor. So let's just slide it. We'll slide it. All right, maybe it's not as easy for you to slide your bed like I just did, but that totally was fine. It's not a big deal. So you can get on that side. I can get around on this side. And like less vault going on. And you can definitely go around my foot of my bed. Like you're not supposed to be like putting your, okay, my feet don't go out the door like coffin style. Yeah, that's the bed thing. All right, so yeah, there's a ton of bugs and dust and crap under all of that stuff that I moved. So, ooh, I feel like they're climbing on me. I'm gonna sweep up a little bit and just clean out this now empty space. Let's see how to fill it. Stuff. Okay. All right. So yeah, there's a lot of dust going on in here. I realized that I have a wooden, like long wooden piece that I used in our RV as like the crib when we changed the table into a bed for my child. And it's just like up against the wall in my closet, I just realized. So I'm gonna put that as my headboard. And that'll give me that solution like now. So here we go. But yeah, I mean, it's better than nothing. I don't know. Okay. Now let's Bagua this baby. Hi, my name's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Here we discuss bringing meditations. Don't trust me, trust the ancient philosophy of Feng Shui. I did not make this up. This is all written. So, I don't even